What's going on, guys? TechLift here. Today I'm going to be going over what I have on my Xbox Series S as of January 2022, show you guys the types of games that I'm playing, things that I have downloaded and saved for the future, and how much storage I have left. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Alright guys, jumping into the video real quick. I want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. We're almost at 1,000 subs, so hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Today I'm going to be going over all of the games that I have currently on my Xbox Series S. I got this back in October / beginning of November for Battlefield 2042, and since then I've actually gotten really into gaming. I'm freaking pumped on it. I haven't gamed since like 2015, so I am super hyped on it, and I want to show you all the games that caught my attention that I have downloaded either directly on my Xbox or onto my external hard drive, which is super clutch. Full dedicated video is going to be in the little card, so check that out. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So over here, alright guys, so first off, if you guys don't know how to get the background, like where the game that you're currently playing is on the background, basically, I do have that in my Xbox Series S unboxing video, so go check that out. I really wanted this feature and I couldn't figure it out to save my life, but I finally figured it out. I went ahead and showed it in the unboxing video, so go check that out. I know some of you guys were commenting on how to do that, but basically, let's go ahead and get into the games I've been playing, what's on my Xbox, etc. Let's go ahead and check it out. So first off, let me see my storage. I'm going to basically go for my internals. 99.3% filled. That's just because of all the updates and whatnot. So right off the bat, guys, I'm gonna go with the first game I got. So first game I ever got on this was Battlefield 2042. I actually paid out of pocket for this. So Battlefield 2042, I got the gold edition so I could get early access to the game, etc., and a bunch of other cool things. So Battlefield 2042 was my first one. Next, we got Assassin's Creed Valhalla. I've absolutely loved this game, guys. There's so much gameplay on my other videos, but that's currently what's on there. I've never thought I'd be into an RPG game like this, but ever since watching the show Vikings on Amazon Prime Video, I have been obsessed with Vikings and that whole thing, and I decided to get Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Not only that, guys, but I did go ahead and get the Ultimate Bundle. Basically, what that is I got Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, and Origins all in one because I'm playing Valhalla during the winter. Hopefully, I'll be done by spring / summer because I want to play Odyssey, which takes place in Greece, and you know, the 300 Spartans, just shredded dudes. I'm into fitness, so that's going to motivate me and just keep me hyped throughout the summer just to lean out, etc. I do have a fitness channel. Go check me out over there, guys. Tons of videos there weekly. And then we got Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. This gives me all the vibes of when I used to game in high school / college. Used to just jump on after school, play zombies with my buddies, Kinder Toten, freaking Ascension, throwing little monkeys to get all the zombies off your back. That's what this game is, as well as Nuketown. It has Nuketown in it. Just feels like the nostalgic first Black Ops, just remastered and just way better. So it's absolutely amazing, guys. So highly recommend you guys go get that. I did pick up that Valhalla bundle and Cold War during like the holiday season sale that they're having. I got Black Ops Cold War cross-gen bundle for I believe $30. Valhalla, it ran me like $30 to $40 as well for like 3 games. Absolute no-brainer. And then next, I don't know why it's saying that these are on here, but I'm pretty sure they're not on my actual internal hard drive. I believe they're on the external hard drive, guys. So Halo Infinite and then San Andreas, just disregard that. So I do have a 2 terabyte Seagate Slim USB external hard drive that I'm using. It's a HDD drive, and that is 69.3% filled. And we're gonna start off with the games that I got right off the bat with Game Pass. So Game Pass allowed me to get Battlefield 3, Battlefield 4, and Battlefield 5 right off the bat whenever I first got the Xbox, and I had to wait like a week or 2 for Battlefield 2042 to come out. And honestly, it was awesome. I downloaded Battlefield 3, Battlefield 4, and 5 right away. Battlefield 5 got me all up in just the feels and just being mind blown with how good the graphics were on Battlefield 5. It's an older game, but it was freaking amazing. The graphics are insane. I actually kind of want to play it now. Battlefield 4, Battlefield 3, those are like the OG games that I used to play on the Xbox 360. I was super pumped on those whenever I saw that they were on here, and honestly, it was just so much fun to play those. All 3 are on EA Play, or if you get Game Pass Ultimate for like $14.99 a month, it comes with gold as well. You get access to all these titles. So those are the first top 3 games that like I downloaded pretty much. Next, we have Call of Duty Warzone Pacific. That has been awesome. Before I got Cold War, I was playing this, and they had like a a crazy team deathmatch game where it was like 64 people in a lobby and you just freaking went ham on people. It was freaking awesome. So Call of Duty Warzone, I'm actually a lot better now since playing Cold War and Battlefield 2042. It's just gotten me like good to the point to where like I don't hate Warzone anymore. I used to freaking absolutely hate it with a passion when I would jump on my brother's console. And yeah, so moving on, we have Cell Damage HD. Now this is an OG Xbox game / maybe Xbox 360 game that I used to go rent at freaking Blockbuster, guys. Like my dad would take me to Blockbuster and I'd go and like pick out a game, and Cell Damage, which is over here, was one of those, and I absolutely freaking loved that game, guys. Like it just brings back all the vibes. I got it on the store for like $4. It was like absolute no-brainer, even though I don't play it that much. I played a couple rounds. Next we have Dirt 5. I heard a lot of great things about this game. It's a racing game. I have not played it yet, but it's on there. Next we got FIFA 20. You got to get down on the FIFA. Yeah, that's just a no-brainer that it was on the Game Pass, so I figured I'd have to download it and try it out on this console. Next is Enlisted. That is more of like a first-person shooter, World War II vibe type of game. It was really cool. I played it before I got Battlefield 5, and ever since then I stopped playing it because I got Battlefield 5, but it's a cool game. I highly recommend you guys download it. We also have FIFA 21, the latest and greatest, baby. Let's go. I still have not played this game, but it looks cool and I figured I'd had to get it. Next we have Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. That's just a classic. I haven't played it yet either. Grand Theft Auto 5. This brings back all the college memories because me and my friends used to play this during college. It was freaking dope, and that's on here. I'm glad we have that. Next we have Gang Beasts. Now I haven't played this game. I just saw that it looked pretty cool and decided to download it. As you'll see with Game Pass, which is absolutely amazing and a no-brainer if you get a system, you're just gonna download random titles. So next we have Forza Horizon 4 and 5. Now these games are freaking dope. So Forza Horizon 4 is the one I started playing, and then I moved it over to my hard drive. I haven't played since because those other games needed space, and those are the ones I'm currently playing. But Forza Horizon 4 looks absolutely stunning, and I had to try it out just because of, you know, the graphics and how amazing the game looked, just because of all the hype around it basically, and I was not disappointed or let down. And then I downloaded Forza Horizon 5 because once I have cleared some space, I'm gonna be getting down on these games because these are just like beautiful, breathtaking games that you have to get, especially if you have an Xbox. Next is The Gunk. So I saw this on a YouTube video and it looked super cool and just like right up my alley, and I downloaded it. There you go. It's like very 3D and it looks very cool. I haven't played it yet, but it looks cool. Next we have the Halo Infinite. So if you're on the Halo 3 vibes, just like I was back in the day, we are getting down on Halo Infinite. It brings back all the vibes. It looks freaking really cool, and you can do so much. They also added the campaign recently. And next we have the Halo the Master Chief Edition. I had to get this. It's on Game Pass as well as Halo Infinite, but basically guys, I had to get this because I'm an Xbox owner. I've only ever had Xbox, and if you don't get the Halo Master Chief Edition, I don't really trust you. I don't know what you're doing. Don't sleep on it though. Next we got Madden 21. I got this because I was running up a score on a couple of my buddies that were trying to get this work. So if you're trying to get this work, add me on Xbox. But yeah, downloaded this one. And real quick, there is an XS version. They're on Xbox One. For some reason, it wouldn't let me play with them, and we couldn't figure it out for the longest time. Then I realized, hey, maybe I need to download the Xbox One version. I did, and it worked. So if you're having that same issue, try downloading the same version that your opponent or your friend's on, and that'll work. Next, we have Need for Speed Heat. I haven't played this game, but it looks cool. Right below that, we have Unravel. This is like a 3D looking game, almost like Little Big Planet if you're on the PlayStation. My cousins always had PlayStations, and I used to go and play Little Big Planet. It was super cool, and this kind of reminds me of that, so I got Unravel 1 and Unravel 2. Haven't played them yet, but they look super cool. Next, we got Hunter, the Call of the Wild. This is on Game Pass. This game is cool. I'm super into like hunting and, you know, fishing and stuff. It's actually super cool and just a big open world, and it's really cool. So if you're into that type of stuff, give that a go. Next, we have Splitgate. Honestly, I have no idea what the heck that is. Maybe my brother downloaded it. Moving over, we got Rocket League. Yes, that's for sure my brother because he plays Rocket League. I don't understand this game. Like, you're in a little car playing soccer. Like, I don't get it. I don't get why it's fun. I haven't tried it, so I'm not gonna knock it just yet, but Rocket League for you. And then Orhi, the Will of the Wisps. Now, this game I downloaded maybe like a couple days into owning the Xbox just because of how breathtaking it looked on YouTube videos and like must get games whenever you get an Xbox to really see the beauty of it. This was one of them, and I played it and I was not disappointed, guys. Whenever I first got this thing, everything took my breath away, and I'm so glad I downloaded all these games to really just see what people were talking about and all the hype. And just, guys, this little Xbox will not disappoint you, and I highly recommend you guys get it because look at all these games, guys. This isn't even like a crazy catalog, but these are just the games that intrigue me, and there's still so many more games. But basically, that is what is currently on my Xbox right now, and I am freaking just been hyped on all these games that we can play on all these games that look great and have been remastered for this console, guys. So let me know what you guys are playing down below. Any game recommendations to really see the beauty and, you know, power out of this Xbox Series S. A lot of people have been telling me that they got the X and then they play the S more because there's not really that much of a difference. Unless you got like a gnarly TV, you're not going to notice much. I do recommend a 1440p monitor though, because that's what I have and that's what honestly has been making all my games look cool. If you got 1080p, don't worry about it, guys. Just do what you can, save up, and eventually upgrade to a 1440p monitor, guys. We're all in this together. We all got to stack cheddar and just get better, basically. But hey, guys, a quick one today. I just wanted to show you guys what's currently on my Xbox and what I've been playing, and I hope you guys liked the video. More tech videos to come, and I hope you guys have enjoyed kind of the other non-Xbox related videos, such as my Tesla video, my top 5, you know, tech gifts to get, things like that, guys. Just tech overall, guys. So if you're into that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Tech Lift out.